In the third tone, 炒菜 means to cook, specifically to fry up a dish. 菜 actually means vegetables, but it can also mean the more generic term dish, like side dishes are called 配菜. So if you 炒菜, you can make yourself some 配菜 to go with your main dish. 大家好, welcome to the Sing and Learn Chinese pronunciation series. We are in the last legs of our road trip through the 405 Chinese syllables, and by the time you get through all the syllables as well as the 4 Chinese tones, you'll be able to pronounce every word that exists in Mandarin. As always, if you're totally new to Chinese, check out the How Chinese Works video to get the basics down first. In this lesson, we'll be going over the Chinese syllables and words from this column of the Chinese pronunciation chart, which you can grab for free at singandlearnchinese.com, link below. Alrighty, let's look at Chinese words that start with 吃. First, we have 吃 by itself, as in 游泳池, which means swimming pool. 游泳池, 游泳, swimming, 池, pool, swimming pool, 游泳池. Then there is 吃 plus a, which makes 茶. In the second tone, 茶 means tea. You can have green tea, 绿茶, or white tea, 白茶, or black tea, which is 红茶. And actually, here's a fun fact. 绿茶 is green tea because 绿 means green. 白茶 is white tea because 白 means white. But 红茶红 does not mean black. It means red. And that's because even though the tea leaves look black, the tea that they produce is red in color. And that's why black tea in English is called 红茶, red tea in Chinese. Second fun fact, black tea is pretty tasty as milk tea with boba. If you've never had that before, you should definitely try it. Okay, done with the fun facts for this word. Moving on. 吃 plus a makes 车, which means car. If you saw the last video, you actually saw this word before, remember? From 车站, which means bus stop. Because the word 车 is actually pretty versatile. By itself, it means car, but it kind of refers to any kind of moving vehicle with wheels. Like a 脚踏车 is a bike, and a 公车 is a public bus, and so on and so forth. But to keep things simple, let's just say 车 equals car. Just remember that. Next, 吃 plus I makes 柴. In the second tone, we make 火柴, which means match. You know, strike a match, light a fire. By the way, fire is 火 in Chinese, so 火柴 means match. Makes sense, eh? Okay, now we have 吃 plus ao, which makes 炒. In the third tone, 炒菜 means to cook, specifically to fry up a dish. 菜 actually means vegetables, but it can also mean the more generic term dish, like side dishes are called 配菜. So if you 炒菜, you can make yourself some 配菜 to go with your main dish. Alrighty, next here is 吃 plus o, which makes 丑. In the third tone, we have 小丑, which means clown. Fun fact, 丑 by itself actually means ugly, as in the opposite of 漂亮, pretty. So now you know. Then 吃 plus an makes 餐, as in 产品, which means a product, 产品. And here's 吃 plus n, which makes 晨, as in 早晨, morning, 早晨. Now, this should be a familiar picture. We have 吃 plus ang, which makes 唱. In the fourth tone, 唱 means, that's right, sing. And 唱片 is a phonograph because it's a 片 is like a piece, so a piece of plastic that sings to you. That's the basic idea. And that's why you can see your logo here to the right. It's a phonograph, as you can see, with the word 唱 in the middle. 唱 can also be used in the word 唱歌, which means to sing. Of course, it's in our name after all. 唱歌学中文, sing and learn Chinese. Ta-da! 唱歌, to sing. Now we have 吃 plus ng, which makes 称. In the second tone, we have 城市, which means city, 城市. And 吃 plus u makes 出, as in 出去, to go out. 出 means out, and 去 means to go. So 出去 means to go out. Then 吃 plus u plus o makes 绰, as in 绰号, which means nickname. What is your nickname? What is your 绰号? Next, 吃 plus u plus I makes 踹, which in the fourth tone means to kick or to trample. 我非踹死你不可 means I'm going to trample you to death. Kind of violent. But there you have it. And 他把球踹到场地的另一头 means he kicked the ball to the other side of the field. 踹, to kick or to trample. Now, 吃 plus u plus a makes 吹, which in the first tone means to blow, like blowing up a balloon, 吹气球, 吹, blow. Then, 吃 plus 乌 plus an makes 船. In the second tone, 船 means boat, 船. And 吃 plus 乌 plus en makes 唇, as in 嘴唇, which means lips. 嘴 means mouth, and 唇 refers to your lips, so together 嘴唇 means your lips. Now, 吃 plus 乌 plus ang makes 床, and in the second tone, 床 means bed. You know, the thing you sleep on at night, 床. And 吃 plus 乌 plus makes 虫, which in the second tone gives you 虫, which means insect or bug, 虫. Okay, remember to download your free pronunciation chart at singandlearnchinese.com and check out some of our Chinese song videos so you can see the words that you learned in context and remember them better. I'll see you in the next video. Until we sing again, 再见.